So, this question deals with periodic trends and how we can utilize the periodic table to look at some important periodic trends. The first is going to be atomic radius, and in general, as we move left to right across any row on the periodic table, we tend to see a decrease in atomic radius, and as we move top to bottom down a group on the periodic table, an increase in atomic radius. Electron affinity is the energy usually released when we add an electron to an atom. And as we move left to right, in general, we see more energy released or more negative electron affinity. And as we move top to bottom, generally speaking, we see a decrease or less energy released in terms of electron affinity. Ionization energy is kind of the opposite of electron affinity. It's the energy required to strip away an electron from something.